This is why you can't land a marketing job and how to fix it. I'm Chris, and I've been in the digital marketing industry for over 4+ years now. And I wish I had these tips when I was first applying and trying to get my first marketing job. So, one is you want to choose just one skill to go into. I would pick either paid ads, email marketing, or SEO. I personally am doing paid ads at the moment. That's where most of my experience is in Google and in Meta. So just starting off with one of those skills and go deep into that. And second, you want to make sure that you have a few projects in your portfolio that aligns with the job you're applying for. So paid ads, for example, you can have a paid ads project. It could either be for clients, for someone that you know, or if you don't have any people you could reach out to, or you don't want to, find a client, you can go ahead and do a do-it-yourself project where you just run a test, a mock campaign for yourself, see what you can do there just to have some results and metrics to put in your portfolio. But it would be recommended that if you can get some clients, some local businesses to work on these projects, it's going to look a lot better. But just starting off, you can go ahead and just do the project yourself without a client, just so you can get the experience and the reps in. So here's an example of a beginner paid ads project. You can do a $20 a day meta ads for, a fake cleaning business that you made, for example, or if you want to work with a local business or someone that you know, you can go ahead and just do that for them. The offers could be a free PDF lead magnet of some sort, and then using Canva, Facebook ads, or MailChimp as a form. And then you track the CPC, the cost per lead, and then you present all that in Card. It's the website builder that I recommend to create your portfolio website on. You can pretty much do it on anything, but Card is very nice, simple, one page. It's a good one to get your portfolio on. Second is an email marketing project. 5 email welcome sequences in MailChimp. You can do a fake direct-to-consumer candle brand, just writing the subject, preview, copy, to call to action for each, and then presenting that in a Card website, your portfolio website. For SEO, it'd be something like writing a blog, best tennis racket for beginners, using the tool Ubersuggest to look up keywords, look at the different metrics, how much demand, how much cost would be for each keyword. Write the SEO title, the meta tags, and the H1 through H3, the headings, filling out all that to make sure that the blog is ranked in Google the best it can SEO wise. And then you can just publish that, in Notion or any other WordPress free blog website, even Card as well. Just using this as an example for your SEO project. Third is you want to fix your LinkedIn, making sure your headline is something along the lines of paid ad specialist, email marketing specialist. In the about section, you want to write, around 2 to 3 lines on your journey and the tools that you use for the job that you're applying for, that you're learning. And then in the featured section, you just link, a project or your portfolio. And then, you can do a Loom video, just like how I'm doing now. I'm using the software Loom, where it has a camera just at the bottom corner, and then you can just present your screen, something very simple like that. And as far as posts, you can write, one post a day about your journey, projects, tools, personal experiences on LinkedIn, and then over time, recruiters, employers will be able to see that, and it'll look really good when they're looking to fill out roles. They're going to want to see how much you've dived deep into the subject matter. Are you consistent? What have you learned? What have you done? So they'll all look good once you've made your LinkedIn. 4 is you want to apply to a lot of jobs a week. Some people think they could apply to 1 or 2 jobs a day, call it a day, but you want to at least aim for 20 applications a week and expect 50 to 100 applications submitted to land interviews. And that's when you're completely optimized too. And as you're improving and getting optimized, you want to put more volume in than you think. I do recommend doing LinkedIn the most. LinkedIn is definitely going to be your best platform to get a full-time marketing job, but you could definitely try out Remote OK, We Work Remote, Dynamite Jobs, and other job boards as well. If you want to just diversify a little bit, but I would definitely focus more of your energy into LinkedIn. Paste the job title plus company in Google Sheets. So every time you apply, you can just track and kind of keep up with what you've applied. I think LinkedIn also has a internal dashboard that actually shows you what jobs, companies, applications you applied for, so you can keep track like that as well. And then just edit one line in your intro for each, making sure you just contextualize, the beginning parts of your cover letter, your resume. And yeah, make sure you just track those interviews, follow up with the employer, the recruiter of each company you've applied for. Message them, see if they've seen your application, what the process is going to look like. And then 5, use projects and interviews. So for example, if you ran a $20 a day ads to collect leads for a fake brand, or for a client, for example, can I show you what I learned? You tell that to the hiring manager, and then you can kind of dive in on what you've done, your projects, and that's going to look really good compared to all the other applicants that don't have any projects, don't have any experience. And yeah, those are just a few quick tips that I wish I had when I was first trying to get my marketing job. And hope you guys found that useful. Go ahead and comment below. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well if any of these tips are helpful for y'all. I think if you apply these tips, you'll definitely accelerate the process of getting your first marketing job. And if you're interested, check out in the description chrishuyn.com. I'll send you the free blueprint on how to land a digital marketing job. And if you want additional help, go ahead and book a call with me one-on-one. My Calendly link's down below. And that's it for the video, guys. See you on the next one.